I'm gonna put this up to Gator. Mess with this and I'm gonna get Gator the boxer.
You belong to you.
Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Come on. Come on. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Come on. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Come on. Come on. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer, Gator. Come on. Come on. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer, boy. Give me the boxer, boy. Give me the boxer, boy. Give me the boxer. Give me the boxer. Gotta watch his paw. Sometimes he walks you right in the face. Give me the boxer, boy. 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 Give me the boxer.
Gator.
Give me the boxer, boy. Give me the boxer, boy.
Boxer, Gator.
What? Give me the boxer, boy. Did you my boy? Did you my boy? You gonna sneeze? 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 Sneeze. What? Sneeze. Sneeze. Give me the boxer, boy. Give me the boxer. What? You gonna sneeze? Achoo! You sneeze? Not a woo! Not a woo! Sneeze? What? You sneeze? You sneeze? What? Sneeze? Sneeze? Get it. Sneeze? Huh? What? You sneeze? You sneeze? Gator? What? What? Sneeze? Okay, how about... What else, Dad? What haven't I gotten on video yet? You got the boxer boy. Well, box? Come on. Yeah. We haven't got the mailer man yet. Gator the mailer man. Alright, Gator, let's go in here to the spare bedroom. Come on. And I want you to take some mail to Daddy, okay?
Gator takes me messages from Misty.
He's a good boy. Good boy. Now you take the mail to Daddy. And then tell Daddy, make sure you tell him to go get Mama. Go get Dad.
See the mail.
Good boy. Backed himself up.
It's very good, dog.
Now tell him to put it in his collar and tell him to get Mama.
Now I'm gonna put it in his collar. Tell him to take it back to Misty. Alright, go get Mama. Go get Mama, Gator. Go take it to Mama. Take it to Misty. Come on, Gator. Go take it to Misty. Go take it to Misty. Go, Gator. Take it to Misty. Not in that room. Gator comes to deliver the mail.
He backed right up got up on the couch and backed right up to John where he could see the letter. Gotta get John, get him. But when I come in, it confuses him. Get John, get him. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. So this is Gator the mailer man. Woohoo! All right, Gator boy. What else can we get on video? Are you gonna sneeze? You sneeze? No? Was that a no? Sneeze. Go. Achoo. Huh? How about a high five? High five? Come on. You gonna do a high five? No? Okay. Okay. Are we tired? Okay. Let's go night night. Come on. Good night. Good night night. Ready? Go sleep. Go sleep. Ready? Lay down. Come on, you gotta lay down. Go night night. Good boy. Now snore. Ready?
Gator snores too when he goes to sleep.
No, he pretends to snore with his eyes wide open. You wanna go sleep? All tired now. All tired? Too tired to pretend to sleep? Snore. There it goes, he just did one. Do it, snore. Oh no, he's too tired. Okay, well that was good. We got the mailer man in there. That was something new.